Hello YouTube friends. I'm going to quickly show you how to make my favorite egg dish thingy, whatever. All you need is one egg, and this is like very easy and simple. We make it in the microwave. You need a bowl, salt and pepper, a whisk, lettuce, sliced cheese, jalapenos, red onion, tomato, 2 slices of toast, and everything has been prepared already except for the egg. I'm going to show you what we do with the egg quickly. Just take it into the bowl, a little bit of salt and pepper according to your taste buds, and then salt again according to your taste buds. Then you take your whisk and you whisk it so that everything is nicely mixed, and you mix it. This is going to be a very quick video. Maybe this will qualify as a short. Yeah, I guess everything is mixed up nice. Put that in the basin. Now you take that beaten egg, you go to your microwave and you stuff it in there. Then close your microwave and you put your power on 1 minute and 20 seconds. Press start. How easy is that? Now we wait for the timer to go off. So while we wait, we can mix all of our ingredients except for the lettuce and cheese. Let's just turn it around again. We will use a small container for that. Take all your tomatoes. This is going to take so long. And just put everything together, because that is going to go onto your salmi anyways. It's a nice quick breakfast or afternoon snack or a midnight snack. In my case, this is going to be my dinner because the kids will have 2-minute noodles tonight. Because we had some big dinners the past few days. Just mix it nice. What you can do is you can put a little bit of chutney or sweet chili sauce. I'm going to put some rice sauce in there. Just mix it all together. And put it on your toasted slices that's already been toasted. Like so. And then you can put your lettuce. That. Like this. Put that slice of cheese. Oh, yeah, everything is falling apart. We're going to put the cheese last. And yes, there's your eggie. Now this one can go for just a few seconds longer. If it's still a little bit runny, I'm going to do 10 more seconds. If it's still a little bit runny, you can put it back in the microwave oven and just let it go for till the runniness is gone. It's almost done. Just check the bottom of it. Now runny egg, cooked in the microwave. And then you just take take your fork, get it off the edges, take it out, put it on your toast, put your slice of cheese, close it up, and voila! And you take a knife and you just cut it. And there you have a quick snack. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, you name it. A quick toasted egg sandwich. How was that? Enjoy.